YouTube is awesome. You can share videos and make money. Lots of people watch YouTube every day. You can make money too. First, find your niche. What do you love? Games, cooking, music? Pick one thing. Focus on what you know. People will watch if you're good at something. Make videos about your passion. Share your knowledge with the world. Make great videos consistently. Upload new videos every week or even more. Quality matters. Good videos look and sound nice. Use a good camera and microphone. Learn basic editing. Make your videos fun to watch. Keep learning and improving your videos. Join the YouTube Partner Program. It's how you make money from ads. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you're a partner, you can earn money. Ads will play on your videos. The more views, the more money. Sponsorships are cool. Companies pay you to talk about their products. You can also sell merchandise, make cool stuff your fans will buy. Affiliate marketing is another option. Share links to products and earn a commission. Engage with your viewers. Reply to comments and make them feel heard. Building a community helps you grow and earn more. Good luck.